Welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we learn how to execute a function for each array element, starting from the last element and moving backwards. This technique is particularly useful when you need reverse order processing for arrays. Let's dive in. Our goal is to process an array in reverse order without altering its original structure. We'll use slicing, reversing, and looping techniques to achieve this. This code uses three key steps: slice to clone the array, reverse to reorder elements, and for each to apply the callback. This ensures the original array remains unchanged while processing the elements in reverse. The function starts by cloning the array to prevent modifications, reverses the order of the elements, and applies the callback function to each element sequentially in reverse order. In this example, the input array 1, 2, 3, 4 is reversed to 4, 3, 2, 1. The callback function is executed for each element in the reversed order, producing outputs 4, 3, 2, and 1. This approach is useful in scenarios like reverse processing of logs, creating reverse rendered lists in UIs, or handling game states in reverse order for backtracking mechanisms. In summary, this method ensures efficient reverse order processing while preserving the original array. It is a simple yet versatile approach for handling arrays in JavaScript. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.